Emmalyn, what are you doing? Hey, Emma. I am. Oh, oh.
Good job. You okay? You okay? You okay? It's okay. You're okay.
Push her hair back. She looks crazy. Push her hair back. Put her under real quick. Like dunk her back.
Gonna go under?
Just cover her face, you know?
Come here. Here, turn around.
Oh, okay, she don't.
It's okay.
Can you just put some water on her hair then? Yay!
You're okay. It's okay. Hey, Daddy's here.